Hi guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you the other three trig functions. There are 6 altogether, and it's very simple because they are just the reciprocals of sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so there was a problem on the last assignment that I didn't realize it said to list all 6. So you're probably wondering what were the 6. So I'm just going to write up the SOHCAHTOA just to help you out. So I'm just going to show you quickly, like I said, it's pretty simple. What is the sine of theta, right? So I have a triangle here, so the sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, right? So I have opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5, right? The cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5, so you have 3 over 5. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so if I'm standing here on this angle, opposite is 4, adjacent is 3, so you have 4 over 3. Okay, now, cosecant, which is, oh, it's a little blurry, hold on, let me focus here. Okay, cosecant is written as this abbreviation, CSC, okay? That pairs up with sine. Okay, it is just the reciprocal. So instead of opposite over hypotenuse, it's hypotenuse over opposite, which is you just take the sign and you flip it. So instead of 4 over 5, it's going to be 5 over 4. Okay, so, cosine matches up with secant. Secant is written like this, but the abbreviation is just SEC. So secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So instead of adjacent over hypotenuse, it's hypotenuse over adjacent, which instead of 3/5, you just flip it, and it's 5 over 3. Okay, and then tangent matches up with cotangent, which is written this way. COT is the abbreviation. So again, instead of opposite over adjacent, is this like really blurry? Instead of opposite over adjacent, it's adjacent over opposite, right? Which is instead of 4 over 3, it's 3 over 4. All right, so as long as you match them up correctly, you just take the reciprocal and just flip it. The way that I like to remember it, well, tangent and cotangent, that's easy to remember, right? Tangent, cotangent, they sound very similar. I like to, sine and cosine, it's pretty much the opposite. You would think, if math was always nice, that sine would match up with secant and cosine would match up with cosecant, right? The S's and the C's. It's not. It's the opposite. So that's how I always remember it. The S goes with the C, and the C goes with the S. I still use that to this day. Like when I think about it, that's how I see it in my head. All right, so the sine matches with the cosecant, the cosine matches with the secant. All right, so that's a way to remember it. So I'm going to post this video, and then I'm going to post like a chart just so you can have that as well. Okay, and I'll probably post maybe another assignment. I don't know. We'll see. Have a great day.